Under the tropical sun, a simple fruit begins an extraordinary journey. This is the story of papaya dessert, from farm to factory to your table. In warm tropical regions, farmers carefully grow carica papaya trees. Months of care, sunlight, and natural rain help the fruit develop its vibrant orange color and natural sweetness. Only perfectly ripened papayas are selected for dessert production. Each fruit is gently hand-picked to avoid damage. Freshly harvested papayas are placed into clean crates and quickly transported to the processing facility, preserving their freshness and flavor. At the factory, every papaya undergoes strict quality control. Experts check the color, texture, size, and ripeness. Only the finest fruits continue to the next stage. The papayas are thoroughly washed in rotating stainless steel drums. Pressurized water removes dirt and impurities. Automated machines gently remove the outer skin. The fruit is sliced open and the seeds are separated. What remains is pure, vibrant orange flesh, ready for transformation. The fruit pieces move into pulping machines. Here, they are carefully crushed into a smooth, thick puree. The natural aroma of fresh papaya fills the air. Measured amounts of sugar, cream, and natural ingredients are added. The mixture is slowly heated and stirred, creating a creamy, rich texture. Precision temperature control ensures flavor and nutrients are preserved. To guarantee safety and shelf life, the mixture undergoes pasteurization. This controlled heating process eliminates harmful bacteria while maintaining taste and quality. The finished dessert is poured into individual cups using automated filling machines. Labels are applied, batch numbers and expiry dates are printed. The sealed cups are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. From here, they travel to supermarkets and stores, ready to be enjoyed. Smooth, creamy, naturally sweet, from tropical sunshine to advanced food technology. Papaya dessert is more than a treat. It is a journey crafted with care at every step.
This is so delicious.
It's the best, Mommy.
I agree, a perfect treat.
More, please.